morning, excellent travelers. I just landed in Paris, Orly, and first challenge, national strike in France. Everything closed. There's emergency bus to the city center. Here's the announcement. Bus. So I made it to the city center. Now we're gonna have some lunch and then check out the shopping center Galeries Lafayette. Top of the shopping mall, Galeries Lafayette Haussmann, next to the opera. You can find an observation deck on the top floor, which is quite cool. I think everybody knows the movie Frantic from Roman Polanski from 1988 with Harrison Ford and Emmanuelle Seigner, his wife. This is the movie location where the hotel, all the hotel scenes were shot. Looks a bit different, more upmarket today, but this is the place. This is Paris parking, where fingers needed. So this is Place de la Concorde with the Eiffeltower in the background. So I'm just in front of the Notre Dame, where the roof is totally destroyed because of the fire that happened, and the restoration is still going in place, which will take another 7 to 10 years to be finished.
That the facade didn't suffer any damage, yeah? Either the structure. But from here we can see that the cathedral, it don't have roof. You see? Look over there, you have to see that. You have to imagine that the cathedral is high. You can come more close here. Sure.
Liberté, égalité, fraternité.
Yeah, this is the hospital. Yeah. Hotel view is called the hospital. Yeah. Well guys, well I know that we don't have a lot of space, but yeah, I'm going to ask to you to come a little bit close to me.
So here are the padlocks for eternal love. They will last at least 5 or 7 days till they are removed by the city. I suppose everybody knows the I'm standing at the next movie location, or a location which is very important for all the movie lovers. Behind me there used to live a very famous person which was called Romy Schneider, one of the best export products of Europe, in my opinion the best actress in the world from the 60s and 70s, and she won the César and played movies such as Sissi La Piscine, La Khalifa, and she won the César. And she used to live in house number 11, Rue de Barbet de Joie, next to the Hotel des Invalides. And she used to own the second floor here. And this is also, unfortunately, the place where she died or committed suicide. So, standing in line for the Eiffel Tower. Let's see how long it will take. This is security and then ticket office. It's my birthday. Good morning. Welcome to the next movie location. This is the restaurant below the Eiffel Tower. It's called the Le Jules Verne. This is where the movie James Bond, A View to Kill with Roger Moore and Grace Jones was filmed, actually on the first floor. It's super expensive, but probably worth it. So, climbing up the Eiffel Tower, only 1 million steps to go. So, I'm about 5 meters high. First floor is 56 meters, second 115, top floor 276. So, I made it to the first floor on 55 meters. And these are the restrooms in the original paint color of the Eiffel Tower from 1887 in red. So I'm somewhere between the first and second floor, maybe on 100 meters. Almost there. Behind me is a Trocadero. So the next movie location behind me, it's the real Statue of Liberty, the original one, and the end scene of the movie Frantic with Roman Polanski, with Harrison Ford and Emmanuelle Seigner